Welcome to our video, Understanding Off-Grid Power, a beginner's guide to building a generator. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive introduction to off-grid power systems, and guide you through the process of building your own generator for independent power supply. Off-grid power refers to generating and using electricity without relying on the traditional electrical grid. It offers individuals the ability to be self-sufficient, and provides electricity in remote locations where grid power is not available. Off-grid power systems typically consist of various components like solar panels, wind turbines, batteries, and generators. Off-grid power has several advantages. Firstly, it provides energy independence, allowing you to have control over your electricity production and consumption. Secondly, it is a sustainable and environmentally friendly option as it reduces reliance on fossil fuel-based electricity. Additionally, off-grid power systems can offer resilience during power outages, ensuring a continuous power supply. Generators are an essential component of off-grid power systems. They are backup power sources that generate electricity through combustion engines. Generators can be powered by various fuels such as gasoline, diesel, propane, or natural gas. Depending on your power needs and location, you can choose the appropriate type and size of generator. Building your own generator can be a cost-effective option, especially if you have some technical skills. You will need to select a suitable engine, an alternator, and other necessary components. It's important to follow safety guidelines and ensure proper ventilation for the generator. With the right tools and knowledge, you can create a personalized off-grid power solution. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of off-grid power and how to build your own generator. Remember, off-grid power systems require careful planning and consideration. If you're new to this concept, it's always best to consult with experts or professionals in the field. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope it has been informative and helpful.